现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this month we're teaching you the phrase 加油.
加油.
加油, which could be used in many different capacities. It could mean go, go, go. It could mean study hard or cheer you on. Or in this situation, to be there and say, let's do it together. Okay? 今天要来一个状况就是，如果电梯坏了，要爬楼梯很累的一件事情。
对啊，越高层楼越累。
对啊，像住在19楼那就很恐怖啊。
你们公司
对，没错。所以幸好呢，有人会陪你一起来爬，为你加油打气，就会比较没有那么累了。
对，
好 ，Let's hear a situation where the elevator is broken and you have to climb 9 floors and you're feeling a little discouraged. OK， 哇，我们听这样的一个状况。
今本日天台快鐵咧，但搶得爬樓台。
嘛嘅啊，我爬giuզan樓呢。
加油，有愛平。
Let's break it down one by one. The elevator is broken today. We can only take the stairs. 今天电梯坏了，只能爬楼梯。
今本日天台快鐵，
今本日天台快鐵，
但搶得爬樓台。
但搶得爬樓台。樓台就是樓梯咯。
是
，OK。
爬樓台就是爬樓梯。
Just by hearing it, I'm tired and exhausted already. 听到樓梯2個字，我已經退了3步了。對 ，OK， 樓台 means stairs, and the elevator 電梯叫做
天台。
天台 ，OK，and that's broken 壞掉了。
快鐵。
快鐵 OK， 天台快鐵就是 broken elevator. What? I gotta climb 9 stories now. 什麼啊？要爬9層樓哎？
嘛嘅啊？
嘛嘅啊？
我爬giuզan樓呢。
我爬giuզan樓呢。OK， 没关系，有一个人有运动神经的要陪你了。OK， 加油，有我陪你。
加油，
加油，
有愛平。
有愛平。OK， 有我陪你哦。
对
I'm here with you. I'm gonna climb with you. So don't worry， 对不对？就是加油，有点 Don't worry, let's do it 那样子那种感觉。
我跟你一起作伴。
I like this. All right. Let's teach you some of these phrases we brought up, including the elevator, 電梯，
天台，
天台 and then 樓梯, the staircase,
樓台，
樓台 and then finding out something and surprising you, 什麼啊? What?
嘛嘅啊？
嘛嘅啊? That means what? And let's hear the conversation again.
今本日天台快鐵咧，但搶得爬樓台。
嘛嘅啊？我爬giuզan樓呢。
加油，有愛平。
This month, we're teaching you how to say go, 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 or let's do it, or no worries, 加油，
加油，
加油 And there you have it, another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
單字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.